There are countless options these days when searching for the right roofer. The good news is that you can find the best professional in no time when you know what questions to ask. Today's local roofing expert will share some insider tips on what to look for when searching for a great roofer.
I'm often asked, how do you go about finding a good roofing contractor after a storm has damaged your roof? The problem is that finding the right roofing services company can be overwhelming. The good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult if you ask the right question. In the Front Range, there are over 6,600 licensed contractors that can do a roof replacement. So how do you choose? Finding a roofing company that is local with the necessary qualifications and expertise can feel like a tough search. I'd like to give you a few tips on finding a great roofing services company. The first tip is make sure the company is insured, licensed, and locally based. Out-of-state companies may be difficult to track down and get satisfaction from if a problem arises after the fact. A great third-party resource to check is the local Better Business Bureau. Second, what are the company's credentials? You want to make sure that you're choosing a professional that have the manufacturer certifications that require training and education. These certified contractors are the only ones that can provide you the extended warranties that you need. The third tip, do they have a great reputation? You want to make sure that you read at least 6 to 10 reviews because they will really give you comfort before you make your decision. Our expertise lies in positive outcomes with insurance companies. Damage usually extends beyond the roof. We are an exterior contractor specializing in roof, windows, siding, and the entire exterior. We do it all, so you only have to deal with one contractor. Call us at 303-942-1119 and mention this video, and we will give you a $500 discount off of your next exterior project of $5,000 or greater.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? The right professional will have you seeing things in a whole new light. To find out more information, contact today's expert at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.